Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda and I'm from amandacrochets.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you all about the April 2022 Knitcrate. Now, as you can see, Knitcrate was a little bit behind this month due to the yarn not being in the warehouse in time, so they had to quickly ship everything out to make sure everybody got their items in time. So they are a little bit late, as I said, which is why you do not see the beautiful teal box or mailer. They just used a gray mailer instead, and they just wanted to ship them out as quickly as they could once the yarn was available. So hopefully next month everything will be on time and we'll get that beautiful teal box that Knitcrate is known for. So let's open up this month's Knitcrate and see what we have. So for this month, the theme is Conservatory, retreat from a chilly spring morning into the humid warmth of a greenhouse lush with plants. And instead of having the previews of the patterns, they have previews of the different colors. So if you are part of the Knit and Crochet Club, you're going to get 2 skeins of one of these 3 colors, either Clay Pot, Rainfall, or Conservatory. And if you're part of the Knits and Crochet Sock Club, you're going to get 1 skein of these 2 colors. And this is Saltillo, I believe, and Cathia. And then they also have the link to download for the pattern, as well as a double down code. You will only be able to access this if you are a Knitcrate subscriber. And again, here are the photos that they used for inspiration for this month. And to talk about the fun little extra real fast, they included a journal, which looks like it's a bamboo cover, and I really like this a lot. I'm always journaling, and I really like the little design in the front. To me, the front of this reminds me of Animal Crossing, and I really like that game a lot, and I really like to journal, as I said, so I will definitely put this to use. I don't know if I'm going to use this for just my own personal journal, if I want to do a gratitude journal, or even just to use this to write down all the different projects I'm currently working on and kind of keep track of my progress that way. So I love this journal, and I'm really happy with this fun extra this month. Finally, with the yarn, if you're part of the Knit and Crochet Club, like I said, you're going to get 2 skeins of one of the 3 colors. And I got this beautiful coral color. I absolutely love this color, and it's just perfect for the warmer months ahead. And this is the Knitologie Wisp by Knitcrate. And this color is Clay Pot, and it's 100% merino wool. It's a DK weight. It's 236 yards or 215 meters. It's 100 grams or 4 ounces, and it's hand washed dry flat. And this is custom made in Peru exclusively for Knitcrate. So I really like this yarn a lot, and as you can see, it has a little bit of a twist to it. It's very, very soft considering it has that merino wool in it. You could definitely feel the wool, but it's not so scratchy where you don't want to have it around your neck. So if you are super allergic to wool, or you are very sensitive to wool, you probably want to stay away from this yarn. But if wool doesn't bother you as much, then you can probably get away with putting a wearable with this yarn. So I love the color, like I said, and it's very, very soft and squishy. Okay, so yet again, I don't know if Knitcrate is ever going to come back with that booklet, but this is the booklet in the PDF version. So if you have the Knitcrate subscription, you will be able to log into your Knitcrate account, and then you can download this on Ravelry, or you can just download this to your computer. or just pull it up on your device. So again, this month's theme is conservatory. And here are again some photos that they use for inspiration. So here's that clay pot that I just showed you. Here's that other color, which is Rainfall, which is a deep purple color. And finally, Conservatory, which is that nice rich green. All three of these colors are really pretty, and I would have been happy with any of these three colors. And if you're part of that Knit and Crochet Sock Club, here is what the two different yarns are going to look like. Both very pretty. And it looks like the yarn is a pooling yarn, which is always fun. I've never really worked with yarn like that before, but if you are part of that club, then you can definitely have a lot of fun with that yarn. Okay, so here is an overview of the pattern. So you have a knit pattern and a crochet pattern. And then for the sock club, again, you get a knit and crochet sock pattern. So this first one is called the Longwood Garden Tote by Vanessa Ewing, and it looks like you knit this bag first and then you felt it. I've never done something like that before, so I can't really talk about the process a whole lot, but it looks like a fun little bag, and it tells you all the instructions how to knit it as well as how to felt it. And then for the crochet pattern, you have the Senta Scarf by Sarah Korth of SEK Handmade, and this is just a fun little scarf that is a lightweight scarf, and you can also wrap it around your head, let's see, as a headband, just like that. And then for the next pattern, you have the Ribbon Fern by Vanessa Ewing, and this is the knit pattern, and I really like how that yarn worked up a lot. And this is Under Glass Socks by Clarissa Lopez Rodriguez Designs. And again, you have that planned pooling on the toes. And then of course you get the sneak peek to the May 2020 theme, which looks like it's going to be watercolor. So I'm assuming a lot of the yarns for the May Knitcrate are going to be more muted and just kind of like this background here, and using these different colors. I feel like it's going to be a nice pretty blend of a lot of different colors. So I'm really looking forward to the May 2022 Knitcrate. So some of the highlights, like I said, I really like this yarn. I like the colors that they had for this month's Knitcrate, and I really like this coral color a lot. I feel this color would work with a variety of different skin tones, as well as that Rainfall and Conservatory colors, the purple and green. I feel like all three of these colors would work for a variety of skin tones, and you can do so much with this yarn. If you do not want to make any of the patterns, you can always make something else, and it would still come out very nice. I really love the journal. I felt like this is a great little extra and something I will definitely use. Sometimes with the extras that come in, I don't really feel like they're necessary. They're a little bit, they're kind of just, I don't know, to me, not useful. Like, I'm not really going to use a sticker necessarily, but something like this I will definitely get use out of, and I'm really excited to use this probably to keep track of all of my crochet projects that I make. So I really like those two things. I was a little disappointed that the packaging was not in the usual teal box, and I know I'm probably being a little bit picky with that, but you're just so used to having that come each month that when it doesn't come, you're kind of like, oh, what happened? So hopefully next month that they can get that out on time. And I'm still upset, as I say, each month with the downloadable booklet versus the physical booklet. I really prefer to have my booklets that way, but I might just contact Knitcrate to see if they ever are going to bring the booklet back or if it's just going to be a downloadable thing. Now I know it's probably more environmentally friendly not to have to download the booklet unless you really like some of the patterns, but I just would prefer to have the booklet, but that's just me. So overall, I really like this Knitcrate, and I really am happy with the fun extra, which is the journal and the yarn itself. I feel like this is really nice, high quality yarn, and I'm really excited to work on some projects with this yarn. I'm not sure exactly what I would make with this, as I'm not a huge fan of the patterns in this month's Knitcrate, but I'm really looking forward to making something very nice with this yarn. So thank you so much for joining me on learning more about the April 2022 Knitcrate. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you give it a thumbs up. Please like, comment, and subscribe to see all future videos by me. And as always, happy crocheting! Bye!